Hi there. So the other day, I was organizing my taskbar, just adding some of the most used apps, and I thought of adding shortcuts to this BC, downloads directory, and recycle bin, as I often use them. To my surprise, Windows did not allow me to pin them. So I went on to do some research and found out that this was not a feature removed from Windows 11, but it hasn't been present in any of the previous Windows versions. Sure, there are some workarounds like manually creating a shortcut, adding custom path, etc. But that seemed a complicated process, especially if I have to add more shortcuts like for videos, pictures, and more. I did some experiment with different methods and eventually found a simple trick that works. Let's take an example of recycle bin for this video. When we try to pin this, it doesn't work. So the first thing is to create a shortcut by right-clicking on it. When right placing the shortcut in the taskbar, it won't work again. The next step is to pin it to the start menu. Once it's done, when you right-click on the shortcut, it won't show you the option to pin to taskbar that you see on other apps. Instead, you will have to drag and drop it into the taskbar. That's it. In this case, only thing you'll now be missing out is on empty or full alternation of the icon. Now you can delete the shortcuts from the desktop and start menu for a cleaner look and access it anywhere from the taskbar. You can apply the same procedure to other restricted directories. First create a shortcut on the desktop, pin it to the start menu, and then drag it to the taskbar. It's disappointing to see that Microsoft hasn't allowed a simple feature to be used for all its apps or directories, and hopefully they solve it in the future updates or versions. So until then, this trick should help you keep everything you need in the taskbar. I hope this little tip helped you today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a new video.